up, YouTube? It's been a while. I've just been super busy, but hey, we're back. We're back, and hey, next weekend, hopefully, I'll find out Monday, but next weekend, got a big surprise for y'all. I'm excited. Hopefully everything goes through. But I'm going to be making some more power. Go ahead and take the Busa to Houston for the day. See what she does. Maybe throw her on a different fuel. We'll see. But yeah. Like I said, Monday I'll find out. Hopefully everything goes through, and yeah, we're gonna turn her up some more, see what she does. Right now we're headed to it's like a knockoff Berkey's. It's like a knockoff Buc-ee's. We're heading to a store called the Texan. It's a pretty big store, but supposedly excuse me, supposedly this is supposed to be like a pretty big one. But yeah, how y'all been? Hope y'all been doing good. You know, I missed y'all. Now, I've made a few videos. I just haven't posted them or anything. I just felt like they were, you know, all that. So I just posted a couple of shorts in between. Also been like super busy, man. Hopefully I get some races for y'all tonight. A couple of reruns actually that are probably gonna get done tonight. But yeah, I've been trying to get another house and move and stuff, and it's a pain in the ass trying to figure all that stuff out, but everything's working out the way I hoped it to be. But enough about that. But yeah, man, we're turning her up a little bit. We're gonna put her on a couple of different other fuels and go from there. Might have some heads cam coming in. I don't know yet, or might just have a big bore kit. And I'm hoping to trade my stock swing arm and my genuine wheels for some R1 wheels. And I can't find them anywhere. I want 07 to 08 R1 wheels. And all I could find is either the rear or the front, and they're now mixed match color. Yeah, I can get them powder coated over there, but I just want to throw them on, man. I've been waiting, not waiting, I've been looking for a hot minute. But one of my buddies just got a Gen 2 Busa. He's trying to sell it right now, actually. He's either gonna sell it. If he can fix it, he'll fix it, keep it. But from what I know, he's gonna sell it. So I'm trying to get that trade in. But we'll see. But this means we might actually get there early. So I don't know. There might be some people there already. Like I said, it's supposed to be pretty big. I do want to address something real quick. Dude, the whole coolest stuff, look, dude, it was just rage bait. It was just all for views, basically, you know. I don't have no actual hate towards this guy. I don't even know him. This dude lives like, you know, Ohio. I'm over here in Texas. You know, never gonna meet the dude. If I do, alright, well, like, you know, that'd be cool, whatever. But yeah, that was just for views, for fun, you know, just some rage bait. And by the way, I am not twice his age. I'm like 6 years older than. I mean, I don't know if he took it serious or what, you know, but I just thought it was funny, dude. You know, he clapped back, made his video and stuff, and no, fuck it. It's just for views. That's literally all it was. Hey, if you're seeing this video, no hard feelings, bro. Do you. You're good at what you do, and that's that. No hard feelings. It's windy up here. Oh, look at that. Oh, and another reason why I haven't posted in a while too is because I don't know when I did it. I don't know how it happened, but my Ace Pro zoomed in, so you were literally just seeing my phone. And I'm sure y'all guys don't want to see that. Oh, my nuts! That shit hurted. Hey boys, we're back. Get some I got a lot of stuff planned out right now. So I can get y'all the best content, and so we can, be out here and just have fun. Put some crazy stuff out I normally wouldn't do. I ain't talking about no dancing and stuff. I can't do that. But yeah. God damn, it's windy as a mug. Man, fast truck, boys. Hey, this is a State Trooper Central right here. If you know, you know. If you know where I live, y'all know what I'm talking about. If you know this specific bridge right here. Yeah! That is crazy. A mini bike on the highway. We're almost at the spot, at the Texan, the knockoff bussies.